Yo guys, how's it going? Welcome back to Crep Flips. Now in today's video I'm going to be bringing you an unboxing of the recently released Nike Dunk Low University Blue. But before we get into anything, if you're new around here, make sure to subscribe to stay up to date and hit that notification bell so you never miss out. Let's get into it. So, the University Blue Dunks, or the UNC Dunks, were released on the 4th of June for a price of £90, and I managed to pick my pair up from JD Sports. Now I know these were a bit more highly accessible due to the fact that they had been released in JD Sports and Foot Locker and most retail stores, which is quite good. It meant everybody got a chance to get a pair. And I'll get onto the shoe itself. It's consisting of two colours, the traditional UNC blue and a nice white to go along with it. It's very simple. Apart from that, there's not too many other details. These only come with blue laces. There's the white stitching on the back of the shoe. You can see there, blue on the tongue. And apart from that, yeah, just a simple colourway, simple design, which is really good actually because it goes well with a lot of things. So you can pair it with whatever you want. It goes well with most outfits. You can wear tracksuits as you saw in the try-on. You could wear it with a pair of shorts or even jeans and trousers. It looks good with pretty much anything. So my thoughts behind buying these is that they will be a very good summer shoe. The Dunk is a very light shoe as well. It's not too heavy. It's pretty thin. It's not too chunky, which is good. And you'll be able to wear them out when it's really sunny. It will go well with any outfit, which is really good. And obviously it's coming up to summer now, so they've released these at the perfect time. Plus they are a very cheap shoe, similar to how Air Forces are very popular during the summer as well, which is really good. I believe they're a must-cop if you were looking to get them. They're still fairly cheap if you didn't get them for retail. So if you check out places like StockX, I'm sure you'll be able to find a pair. But apart from that, I really love these shoes. I'm going to be wearing them, definitely keeping them. And yeah, let us know what you thought about them in the comments. But before the video ends, thank you for watching. If you did enjoy, make sure to drop a like. And to keep up to date with all our latest content, make sure to subscribe. See you in the next video.